Hello American family, hope you guys are good. Currently I'm in Uganda, and most people who are new on my account, they don't know that I personally use a Ugandan number. I've been using that for 5 years. But I also have a Dubai number and also a Ugandan office number. Those two official numbers are with my assistant. Okay, Ugandan number is on the screen. Then also those official numbers are also on the screen. The Dubai number and the Ugandan number. So all three numbers on the screen. You are free to contact any number that you want. All these nationalities can come to us for processing their visit visas. Let me name these countries. You're from DRC, Tanzania, South Africa, Kenya, Mozambique, Ghana, Madagascar, Cote d'Ivoire, Niger, Mali, Burkina Faso, Malawi, Zambia, Chad, Senegal, Zimbabwe, Guinea, Benin, Rwanda, Burundi, Tunisia, Togo, Congo, Liberia, Central African Republic, Mauritania, Eritrea, Namibia, Gambia, Gabon, Guinea-Bissau, Equatorial Guinea, Mauritius, Eswatini, Djibouti, and Comoros. For Ugandans, even for Cameroonians, even for Sierra Leoneans. Either you are in UAE or either you are in one of these countries back home, we can still get you your visit visas, freelance visas, and free zone visas. Please share this video with your friends from these African countries. That's it. See you in the next video. Till then, much love, peace, and as I always say, God bless Africa. One love.